Morning cardio. It's kind of rough getting out of bed sometimes, I can't lie to you. But with a good pre-workout formula, it's much easier. But be careful of what pre-workouts you use. In fact, make sure it's a hydration formula. We have Alpha Line's Superhuman Sport that has just a little bit of caffeine to help me out the gate. It's like maybe 45 milligrams. That's like half a cup of coffee, just enough. But it also has a hydration matrix to help stay hydrated early in the morning and during that cardio session. So don't use a traditional pre-workout to do cardio. If you don't want to intentionally elevate your blood pressure before you go out there and intentionally elevate your heart rate, use something mild. Try this one, Superhuman Sport. Let's get this morning cardio going, guys. The top 3 reasons you should be doing your cardio in the morning time. The first reason, feel-good hormone. If you have a to-do list, on the top of that to-do list, it says, go outdoors and do cardio. Once you start that cardio, you get a feel-good hormone release. That's dopamine. While you're exerting yourself during that cardio, you also get endorphin release. So now you have much more feel-good hormones in your system as you begin your day. Second reason, D3. The sun hitting your skin allows your human body to form what is called D3. That's great for your immunities to help you fight off all foreign bacteria and disease. Third top reason, I would say it's circadian rhythms, the sunrise and the sunset. When you set the biorhythms of your body to the sunrise and sunset, the body just feels overall better. So, top 3 reasons why I think you should do morning cardio. You know, these days we discuss mental wellness a ton. And it seems like we're always reaching out for help, but not doing what we should do first within ourselves to help ourselves. One of the first things we oftentimes do is start your day with a morning affirmation. That morning affirmation means nothing. The rest of your day, you're not guarding yourself against toxicity. I love myself and I appreciate myself. But if you're playing 24/7 toxic music for the other 23 hours of your day, that's going into your eyes, into your ears, into your soul, working against you. So what are you listening to on a routine basis? That's your affirmation. Never mind that morning social hashtag. What you're listening to is a big part of your mental wellness. Guard your soul. As I understand the word patriarchy, all that means is that society or that organization is being male-led. There's no problem with the male leading something, as long as he is fit to do so, which means he is mentally and physically capable of being responsible and taking care of that group, that pack or organization. In this instance here, my family or your family. You are not going to be fit to lead, though, if you're not taking care of your mental wellness. I do that by doing morning walks. I get feel-good hormones in my system because the circadian rhythms are set to the sun. That sun's giving me dopamine, endorphins, feel-good hormones that help me to make better decisions for my family. No, it will not fix the problems, but it helps me to fix and address the problems. Secondly, physically fit to lead. I am no good if I'm an unfit physical man who can't go out and provide and protect for my family. I take that part very serious, physically and mentally fit to help my family, lead my family. Take it seriously, fellas. I am BigRonJones with practical advice for your real world goals.